We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello everyone, myself Vijay K. Patel. I am head of the department in electrical engineering, NG Patel Polytechnic, which is known as Tajpur campus, located at Bardoli, Surat. Today we discuss the topic of protection of power transformer through gas operated relay, which is also known as Buchholz relay. It is generally used for the power transformer protection above 500 kVA. So today we discuss the construction of the Buchholz relay, working of the Buchholz relay, location of the Buchholz relay, and the types of the faults against which the Buchholz relay gives the protection. So first let us discuss the different types of the fault, incipient fault and severe fault, which are occurred into the power transformer. Incipient faults means a smaller types of faults. If they are occur into the power transformer, there is no need to be disconnect the power transformer from the circuit. So the examples are core bolt insulation failure, local overheating, air inlet into the tank, shorting of the laminations, oil level reduction due to oil leakage. These all are the types of incipient faults into the power transformer. And the severe faults means the heavy faults which are occurred into the power transformer. So heavy current is flowing into the winding, and due to overheating of the winding may be burned. So these are short circuit between phases, earth faults, intermittent short circuits. So these are the faults for which a Buchholz relay gives the protection to the power transformer. It gives the protection against incipient faults also, and it also gives the protection against severe faults also. So how it gives the protection, later we will discuss. So first of all, we discuss the location of the Buchholz relay. As shown into the diagram, it is fitted between the main tank and conservator tank, and the actual photograph is also there. I show here into the middle figure, and in the third figure the actual pictures of the power transformer and the Buchholz relay. Okay, so this is a simple diagram which shows that Buchholz relay must be connected into the pipe which is connected main tank to the conservator tank. So construction of Buchholz relay, as shown in the figure, there are 2 mercury switch, a float. Float is hinged at a point, and lower mercury switch there is a flapper. Oil is flowing from main tank to conservator tank, and this hole is a metallic chamber, and on the upper top of the Buchholz relay there is a air or gas release valve. The top mercury switch is connected to the external alarm circuit, and the lower mercury switch is connected to the trip circuit or trip coil of the circuit breaker. So mainly there are 2 mercury switch. One is connected to the alarm, another is connected to the trip coil of the circuit breaker. So this is the basic construction of the Buchholz relay. Now working of the Buchholz relay, we know that there are 2 types of faults, incipient and severe. So during incipient fault it gives alarm. So when incipient fault means smaller fault is occurred into the transformer, oil is overheated and gas is generated. This gas is accumulated into the top of the Buchholz relay. Small circles into the diagram, this is nothing but the bubbles of the gas, which is from main tank to accumulate into the top portion of the Buchholz relay, So top mercury switch is tilt and alarm circuit is closed and it gives the alarm. So one can know that there are some problems into the power transformer. So he can check and rectify the problems. So in incipient fault it gives alarm. Now when severe faults are occurred, severe means a heavy current is flowing into the winding. So oil temperature is increasing tremendously high and large amount of gas is generated. So as shown into the figure, large small circles are there. It means large bubbles of the gases are flow from or rush from the main tank to the conservator tank, and it affects the flapper. And so lower mercury switch is tilt and trip circuit is closed, so trip coil is energized and immediately circuit breaker is tripped. So in case of severe fault, circuit breaker is immediately tripped. So incipient fault gives alarm, and in case of severe fault, circuit breaker is tripped. Okay, so this is the function of the Buchholz relay. I hope that you can understand the concept of the Buchholz relay. Thank you very much.